guys, I am fine. I hope you are well. Very thanks all dears because you subscribe my channel, watch my video, like and share. Let's start now assignment, new assignment. Exp25 Excel chapter number 5 mid-level 2 apartments, and today is my topic apartments, project descriptions, any kind of assignments. All dear students, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, mathematics, English, finance, accounting and all course, please you contact me WhatsApp and emails. Question number 1, start now. Dear student, you first downloading the file. Start Excel, download and open the file name Exp25 Excel chapter number 5 mid-level 2 apartment. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file names. And all dear, question number 1 is file downloading first, but I already this file downloading summary, rental database and 3 log worksheet is available. Question number 2, start now. I increase the size. All students, you understand better word. Before subtotaling the data, you need to sort the data. Select the summary sheets. Sort the data by apartment complex in alphabetical orders and future sort by the hash bed, these numbers of the bedrooms from the smallest to largest. It's okay. Question number 2, start now. Worksheet, I go to worksheet and summary. Worksheet is summary. And sort the data by the apartment complex in alphabetical orders. And sort custom. Sorry. Custom sort apartment complex order A to Z, alphabetical orders. And order number 2, by order number 2, future sort by bed. Order is smallest to largest. Second, hash bed, and order is smallest to largest. Question number 2 is very simple. Okay, it's okay. I back this. Question number 3. Question number 3, start now. Question number 2 is complete. I increase the 12 and color change. You want to use the subtotal future to display the average total deposit by number of bedrooms for each apartment complex. Use the subtotal future to insert subtotal row by apartment complex to calculate the average total deposit. Add second subtotal without removing the first subtotal by bed to calculate the average total subtotal by deposit by the number of bedrooms. Use the subtotal future insert subtotal row by apartment complex to the calculate the average subtotal. It's okay. Average I start subtotal and first apartment complex and function is average. It's okay dear. And total deposit it's okay. I click this and second add the second subtotal remove the first subtotal by bed to calculate the average and total deposit by the number. It's okay. All dear students, I click this subtotals and second step hash bed average already I do not click this and total subtotal already this click I do not and first I click this. It's okay. This step is fairly I back this removing without the removing first subtotal this is first subtotal I removing this. It's okay. Step number question number 3 is complete and start now question number 4. Question number 4, I increase the word size and color change. Use the outline subtotal to display on the two level of subtotal row along with the grand average. Create an automatically outline qualifies the outline above the total deposit. It's okay. Total deposit I start now at auto line. It's okay. Auto outline I come it's okay. That's okay. Second click is complete. Create in automatically outline and qualifies the outline part of the total deposit. And question number 5 start now. I color change. You want to create a pivot table to determine the total monthly rental revenue for occupied apartments. Worksheet to the left of the rental sheet. Change the name of the worksheet to rentals revenue. Name the pivot table rentals worksheet to rental revenue. Name the pivot table rentals revenue. it's okay. Worksheet, I display the worksheet, create blank pivot tables on a new pivot tables. It's okay. Sorry, I render tables. It's okay. Blank pivot table, I create this. This is pivot tables, and worksheet, change the name of the worksheet to rental revenue. I copy this rental revenue, new worksheet, name change, it's okay. Name is finally complete. Name the pivot table. Name the pivot table, change name. I copy this, it's okay. Okay, name change is complete. Question number 5 is finally complete. Do not lengthy assignment, this very easy, but you understand point by point. I increase size and color change because you better word. Display the apartment complex and bed field in raw and the rental price field in value. Display the apartment complex and hash bed field in raw and the rental price field as value. It's okay. Apartment complex and bed. New, create pivot tables. Raw. It's okay. Sorry. Okay. And bed. Okay, and values the rental price field is value. Rental price, where rental price, it's okay. Rental price is value. It's okay. Question number, all dear students, question number 6 is complete. Question number 7, start now. Format the sum of rentals. Question number 7, I increase, it's okay. Format the sum of rental price as accounting number format with 0 decimals. Please enter the custom name, total rent collected. Format the sum of rental price as accounting number format. Formats. Values. It's okay. And your students, sum, number of formats, accountings, decimal, 0. decimal 0. It's okay. And name, I copy this total rent collected, I copy this and paste. It's okay. And good. Question number 7 is complete, very easy, do not lengthy. And question number 7 is complete. Start now question number 8. Create the, select the occupied field for the filter and set the filter uses to display data for the occupied apartments. Select the occupied field for the filter and set the filter to yes to display data for the occupied apartment. Select the occupied field for the filter. And occupied for filter. It's okay. Occupied for filter. And select the occupied field for the filter and set the filter to yes to display data for occupied apartments. Data for occupied plant. It's okay. Yes is okay. And all my dear student, 8 question is finally complete and total is 90. And very thanks you watch my long videos.